Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Microsoft Store error, that is Microsoft Store couldn't update. Error code is 0x80070002. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once. And after the system restart, open Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working? Make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time, and then make sure set time zone automatically is on over here. Also set time automatically is also on, and then click on sync now, and then go to time and language and go to language and region and select your country. Make sure your country is selected over here. Now still not working? Run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, restart your computer. And after the system restart, open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working? Clear store cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to repair or reset store. Now for this, type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box and then make a right click on Microsoft Store, then go to app settings. First of all, click on terminate, then click on repair. And once the repair is done, now you can open store and then you can check. Still not working? In that case, this time perform reset, click on reset, and once the reset is done, again open store and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to restart Windows Update, restart these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. And then find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. And once done, now you can open store and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command, hit the enter key. Let this process complete. This process will take some time. And during this process, you will see errors in red color. Just ignore it, let the process complete. This will install all the Windows default apps. And once it is done, you will see everything red. Once that is done, restart it. And after the system restart, you can open Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell once again in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, again open as administrator and then click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, and here you can see store is open right now. As soon as I will hit the enter key and the store will be gone. So here you can see the store will be gone once you hit the enter key. It's gone. If you search store, you won't find store anymore. Now to reinstall Microsoft Store, copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key, and this will reinstall Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. Now run this sfc and dism command. So copy this command and then type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, always open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. This scan will take some time. Once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So copy this command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer. And then open Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working. Run this inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to advanced tab over here. Scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all 4 are checked and then hit apply. Click on OK. And then you have to relaunch Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So go to Windows Update or Update and Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, open Microsoft Store. Still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, click on advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery option. Over here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once logged in, open Store. Still not working. Next step is to use media creation tools. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see the screen. Click on accept. Now by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. Set the location to desktop. Save and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once done, click on finish over here. Once you click on finish, you will see the screen. Let it close automatically. It will close in few seconds. And once this is done, now go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file over here and then run this setup file. Make a double click, run the setup file, click on yes to allow and then click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install and after the installation log into the computer and then you can open Microsoft Store and then check. Now still not working. The last step is to reset Windows 11. When you reset Windows 11, create a backup first because you may lose your data and application on your computer. So create a backup first. To reset Windows, you can go to Windows settings and go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, click on recovery option and over here you can see reset this PC. Click on reset PC. Here you can see the first option, keep my files. It will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. Second option is remove everything. Remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So select the option which you want and then you can go for local reinstall and then let the reset complete. Then you have to set up your computer once again. You have to start everything from scratch and then you can open Microsoft Store and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.